Prime Minister Marape testifies in high-stakes corruption trial. Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. Prime Minister James Marape has appeared before Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika as a state witness in the ongoing trial of former Finance Deputy Secretary Jacob Yafai. The case centers around the alleged misappropriation of K41, $8 million paid to Paul Paraka lawyers between 2012 and 2013. Key testimonies and legal arguments. Yafai, 46, from Yangaru's Karapia village in East Sepik, is accused of facilitating unauthorized payments despite legal orders barring such transactions. During his testimony, Prime Minister Marape denied any involvement in pressuring Yafai to approve the payments. He stated that upon assuming the role of finance minister in July 2012, he explicitly directed the finance department not to process any payments to Paraka lawyers. I have instructed the finance secretary through the memo of Oct. 31, 2012, not to make any payments to Paul Paraka lawyers, Marape told the court. Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika further inquired whether Marape had ever pressured Yafai to approve payments to Paraka lawyers. Marape firmly denied this, stating he had no role in the transactions. Role of former Attorney General Davis Stephen. Adding weight to the prosecution's case, former Attorney General Davis Stephen testified about a 2006 Supreme Court stay order which legally prohibited any government payments to Paul Paraka lawyers. His testimony suggests that payments made between 2012 and 2013 could have been illegal, further complicating Yafai's defense. Postponement of Karenga Kua's testimony. Sinasina Yongamugal MP Karenga Kua, who previously served as Attorney General, was expected to testify but did not take the stand. Chief Justice Salika adjourned the case, scheduling his testimony for a later date. What this case means for Papua New Guinea. This trial is viewed as a major test of PNG's commitment to fighting corruption. The K41, $8 million fraud case has been under investigation for years, and its outcome could set a precedent for future corruption trials. Potential consequences. Accountability for public funds. A guilty verdict could send a strong message about government transparency and financial responsibility. Political implications. Given Marape's testimony, any contradictions or new evidence could influence public trust in his administration. Legal reforms. If the trial exposes flaws in government financial oversight, there may be calls for stronger anti-corruption laws. Public reaction and speculation. The trial has generated widespread public interest, with many Papua New Guineans debating its implications. The timing of Facebook's outage in PNG on the same day as Marape's testimony has also sparked speculation. Some suspect the government may have restricted access to the platform to prevent public discussions and media coverage from spreading online. However, no official statement has been made regarding the disruption. What's next? With the case now adjourned, all eyes are on the upcoming testimony of Karenga Kua and further cross-examinations. The final verdict will determine Jacob Yafai's fate and set a significant legal and political precedent in PNG. The people of Papua New Guinea await the outcome, hoping for justice and greater transparency in governance. Would you like additional details on past corruption cases in PNG? For context,